Ever found yourself setting weight loss goals year after year, only to fall off track shortly after? Well, get excited because I'm about to share the secret sauce to setting goals that will stick. If you're tired of the whole new year, new me routine where you set weight loss goals and end up giving up within weeks, then you've come to the right place. I'm here to spill the beans on the secret sauce to setting weight loss goals that actually stick. We've all been there, excited, pumped up, and ready to conquer those extra pounds. But somehow, life gets in the way and those lofty goals start to fade away. Well, fret no more, because I've got the tips and tricks that will keep you on track no matter what life throws your way. In this video, I'll be sharing the tried and true techniques that I use with all of my clients to help you set realistic goals and actually achieve them. Setting specific weight loss goals is like having a roadmap to success. It gives you a clear destination and a target to aim for. Without specific goals, it's like wandering aimlessly in a vast forest without a compass. When you set specific goals, you know exactly what you want to achieve, whether it's fitting into those skinny jeans or feeling confident at the beach. These goals provide a sense of direction, guiding your actions and choices towards a healthier and happier you. Imagine you're on a thrilling roller coaster ride. As the cart starts climbing, you can see the exhilarating twists and turns ahead. That anticipation, that excitement is what setting goals can bring. When you set your weight loss goals, you're creating a vision of the future that you desire. This vision becomes a powerful motivator, pushing you to take action, make healthier choices, and stay committed even when faced with challenges. Setting goals also helps you stay focused. Just like a laser beam locks into its target, goals keep your attention fixed on what matters most. They help you prioritize your actions, making it easier to say no to tempting treats or skip that Netflix binge for a workout. The more you focus on your goals, the more determined and disciplined you become, propelling you towards success. When setting weight loss goals, you don't just want to set any goals. We're talking about SMART goals. Now, what does SMART stand for? Let me break it down for you. Firstly, specific goals provide direction and clarity. They help you know exactly what you want to achieve, whether it's fitting into those skinny jeans or feeling more confident at the beach. Secondly, measurable goals. These allow you to track your progress. It's like having a weight loss GPS that tells you how far you've come and how much further you need to go. Thirdly, achievable goals are within your reach. They're like a roller coaster ride filled with anticipation and excitement. You know you can conquer that hill and achieve your desired weight. Next, relevant goals. These align with your values and aspirations. They create a vision of the future, a healthier and happier you. Lastly, time-bound goals. They have a deadline. They push you to take action and make healthier choices. It's like having a personal trainer who keeps you on track and focused. SMART goals are more than just a fancy acronym. They are a powerful motivator that fuels your determination and discipline. They give you a clear direction, like a compass, pointing towards a healthier lifestyle. Imagine driving without a destination in mind. You'd be lost, confused, and likely to give up. But with SMART goals, you know exactly where you're headed, and that fuels your motivation. It's like having a personal cheerleader, cheering you on every step of the way. SMART goals help you prioritize your actions. They keep you focused on what truly matters, like saying no to that extra slice of cake or hitting the gym instead of binge watching your favorite show. It's like having a spotlight that shines brightly on your weight loss journey. So set those specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. They will give you the clarity, motivation, and focus that you need to embark on a successful weight loss journey. Now let's cover the steps to setting effective weight loss goals. Number 1, identify your starting point. First things first, to embark on this exhilarating journey, you need to know where you're starting from. Take note of your current weight, body measurements, and any other relevant information. This will serve as your starting point, like the first step of a grand adventure. Number 2, the importance of setting realistic goals. Setting realistic goals is crucial for your weight loss journey. Just like a compass, they provide you with direction and clarity. Realistic goals help you stay motivated and prevent frustration along the way. They keep you on track, like a personal cheerleader, cheering you on towards success. Number 3, breaking down long-term goals into smaller steps. Now, let's talk about breaking down those long-term goals into smaller, manageable steps. Think of it as a spotlight shining on your weight loss journey, illuminating each step along the way. By breaking down your goals into smaller milestones, you can prioritize actions and stay focused on your progress. It's like a laser beam locking into its target. Now that you've set your weight loss goals, it's time to create an action plan to turn those dreams into reality. Think of it as your roadmap to success, guiding you every step of the way. Remember, a detailed plan is essential for making lasting changes to your diet and exercise routine. It's like having a weight loss GPS that keeps you on track. Just like a personal trainer, your action plan will push you to reach new heights and challenge yourself. Start by determining the specific actions that you need to take to achieve your goals. Break them down into smaller, manageable steps, just like tackling a roller coaster ride, one thrilling loop at a time. When it comes to dietary changes, decide on what way of eating you're going to follow. What foods will you eat, and which ones will you avoid? Will you follow macros or your hunger cues? How many times a day will you eat? Your action plan is like a compass, guiding you towards a healthier lifestyle. For exercise routines, schedule regular workouts that suit your fitness level and preferences. It's like having a personal cheerleader, motivating you to stay active and push through any challenges. Remember, it's important to set realistic goals that are achievable within your current circumstances. Think of each step in your action plan as the first step of an exciting adventure. Tracking progress and making adjustments. Keeping track of your progress is like having a personal cheerleader by your side, cheering you on every step of the way. It's crucial to have tools that can help you track your weight loss journey, such as a measuring tape, body fat scale, and body weight scale. These tools act like your personal record keepers, capturing your victories, challenges, and everything in between. Just like a map guides you towards your destination, these tracking tools guide you towards your weight loss goals. Regularly assessing your progress is like having a compass that keeps you on the right path. It's not enough to simply set goals and then hope for the best. By regularly checking in with your progress, you can identify any roadblocks or detours that may have come your way. This allows you to make necessary adjustments to stay on track and keep moving forward. It's like a GPS recalculating your route when you take the wrong turn. By making these adjustments, you ensure that you're always heading in the right direction towards your desired destination. So keep an eye on your progress, make adjustments as needed, and celebrate every step closer to your weight loss goal success. Let's talk about staying motivated throughout the journey. Let's face it, losing weight is not easy. But there are ways to stay motivated during those tough times. One tip is to remind yourself of why you started this journey in the first place. Maybe you want to be more healthier, feel more confident, or have more energy to keep up with your kids. Whatever your reason may be, keep it at the forefront of your mind. Another tip is to find an accountability buddy who you can lean on for support. This could be a friend, family member, or even a fellow gym goer. Having someone to talk to about your struggles and success can make all the difference. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small they may seem. Did you hit a new personal best on a workout? Treat yourself to a new workout outfit. Did you resist the temptation of that slice of cake at the party? Take yourself out for a movie night. Rewards don't have to be food related, and they don't have to be expensive either. Find what works for you and make sure to celebrate your progress along the way. Lastly, having support from a coach or accountability community can be a game changer. A coach can help you set realistic goals, create a personalized plan, and keep you on track. An accountability community, whether it's an online group or a local club, can provide motivation, inspiration, and a sense of belonging. Knowing that you're not alone in this journey can make all the difference. Speaking of having support from a coach, if you're looking for a coach who can provide you with the right system, support, and accountability, I invite you to book a complimentary consultation with me. Together, we can determine if my program is the right fit for you to reach your goals this year. Click the link in the description to book your call, and I look forward to hearing about your goals and how I can help you achieve them faster. Remember, with the right tools and support, You have the power to make your dream body a reality. Book your call and I'll see you in the next video.